Guys, this is Archis one of the proud alumni of this. I have been his alumni from 2017 to be exact. To the further, I would help the students of the for the college selection. As we know, we all are pursuing for JEE for IITs and NITs. But to be practical, there are not many seats as many students pursue for it. So there should be alternatives which you should think about before concluding yourself to be wrong. You could pursue one of the colleges which is KIIT, which I am from. It is a great college. It has a higher fees though, but you have every scope you can try, and it gives you a good placement as I have thought. So okay, now about this. 2017, the things I have missed after 2017 is the formation of the formal registry. Unfortunately, I misplaced it, and in my college years, when I required those things for revision, I really missed it. But still, the thing is, in the college, when you get those concepts of sets, graphs, then the practical part of maths, where there is no competition for you when you have been a student of it. That is all from my side. Have a good learning session. See ya.